Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set your default browser on the Windows 11. So of course if you're a Windows 11 user that will be great, just go and open your PC, and of course if you're a Windows 10 user you can actually go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 now and for free. And of course you will even be able to run the installation or the download of the Windows 11 on the background of your PC, and in the meanwhile you can use your PC if you want. Of course it could be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. So of course, when the download or the installation is done, you will actually be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find your Windows 11 ready to use and you will be good to go. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to downgrade or go back into Windows 10 if you didn't like something or if you're having some issues. But I bet you when you get used to Windows 11, you will find it's more better than Windows 10. So as we said, is we would like to set a default browser. So of course the default browser normally is the Microsoft Edge wherever you download the Windows 10 or even 11. So of course if you downloaded the Windows or the Chrome, sorry, the Google Chrome or maybe Opera, Brave, whatever browser you're using, you would like to make it as a default browser. Of course there is two options to do that. Of course there is the first option is to go to the browser that you want to make default. So this is an example, Brave. You can go into Brave and go of course into the settings of the application, and here you can actually look for default, and as you can see you can just click here at make default and it will be default. Of course that will work with any other browser. Of course if you don't want to do that, you can actually just go into the search and search for default apps. And once you do that, make sure to go into the browser that you would like to make as default. So this is an example, it's going to be Brave. And here, as you can see, change here whatever you want. So of course, default site files and default browsers. So for me, I have Opera. Of course, you can just click on it and change it to whatever you want and set as default once you change it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.